everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can see blocked people on Roblox. Now to do that, you need to open the Roblox application first. Tap open the application and then you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Once you are logged in and you are at this page, home page, you need to tap on the dotted lines inside the circle at the very bottom right. You tap that, and there on this section you need to scroll down to the setting and tap on setting. Now in this setting page, what you need to do is you need to go and tap on privacy. Tap that. In the privacy page, you need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You just keep scrolling down. At the end, you will see the blocked user option. You tap on show. This will show the blocked user of Roblox. If you have not blocked anyone on Roblox, this block option will not be shown to you. Now here you on Roblox, you will be able to block at least 100 people. And here you can see I only have one person. So this is a way how you can easily see blocked people list on Roblox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.